Hello everyone, I am live again and I'm actually really excited about this live. As you can see, I did some profitable trades and I'm really proud of myself. Like yesterday I was a bit sad because all I could talk about was the stupid trades that I made, but now I did 2 trades. So the first was yesterday, and was it yesterday that I was talking about all the losing trades? Maybe it was the day before, like the live before yesterday's live. I was talking about all the losing trades. Yesterday was the live where I actually did a trade live. I actually bought something and I was still in the live and then baby woke up and so yeah, I was still in the trade, so you didn't really see how that turned out. But I can say that I've never made, of course, just if you're new here, I'm paper trading. I'm a beginner, but I'm treating this like as if it's my real money, you know? Let me just see. Oh, we're getting chaotic already. Let me just see if there's anyone watching right now. Excellent condition, that's nice. I have one viewer. Hi, hi K9B9. Hello. It's almost like you're one of those Star Wars little robots, like K9B9. Hi, welcome to the live. You're the only viewer right now, so it's just you and me right now. So let me just get my face off of the screen and I'll show you something that I'm really proud of, okay? So if you are new here, by the way, I think K9B9, no, you've already watched one of my lives, I think. But I will just show you the 2 profitable trades that I did. And as I was saying, this is paper trading, so it's not real money, but I'm treating it as if it's real money because then when I actually start with real money, I know what to do. You know, I'm already in the mindset and I already treated this like it's my real money. So every profit, every loss, I'm getting the same emotions, I hope. But yeah, I'm really excited about my profits, of course. I'm really happy. So I'll just show you. This was yesterday evening, and I actually did this buy order when I was live because I'll just show you why. I think I was in a lower time frame, even lower than this. 1 minute? Is that possible? 1 minute? Whoa, now I need to go back, like very far back. Yes, I was in a 1 minute. Wow. I'm like doing a scalping thing, like 1 minute charts. Whoa, a real day trader. So this was what I saw yesterday evening. So during the day, it had been ranging a bit, and I had a. Why did I do this order? Why did I buy again? I think, yeah, it was just because here's the support and the resistance. I think this, because I deleted every trend line from yesterday, that's no longer necessary for today. So I don't know if there was something with trend lines here, but from what I can see is I just did this resistance, like it broke out of this resistance. And then I got into the trade right here and I expected it to go, like right here is a high, and I expected it to go like until here, but I wanted to be conservative, so I put my take profit here, and actually it was perfect, you see? So yesterday, let's see, oh no, it wasn't in the evening, it was in the afternoon. It actually went up and up and up. It did my take profit. I had a profit of 70 euros. I've never made that much money with paper trading, or yeah, with paper trading. So 70 euro, this is my highest profit I've ever had. yeah, so I was really proud, and then it went down, so I was really happy that I did my take profit here. If I didn't have my take profit here and if I didn't have a stop loss, then it would have gone up until that point, like until, oh well. Well, it would have gone up until here. Um, so that would have been nice, but I'm really happy with my 70 euros. So can you see it, by the way? Is my, yeah, okay, it's all good. You can see the screen, you can see the chart. So that was yesterday. Yesterday I made 70 euros, and after that I was done for the day because I was way too proud and way too happy with this profit. And I didn't want to ruin it by over trading or just forcing another trade just to make more. So I accepted my 70 euros and I was really happy. Especially because I started with 500 euros. Then I did a lot of stupid trades and I ended up with, well, no. Oh my God. I started with 500 euros. Then I made a profitable trade, got it until 568. Then I made a lot of stupid trades one day. Just in one day, I went from 568 to 460 in one day. Like pretty much 100 euro gone. And I was a bit sad. I was feeling a bit like, oh my God, am I really that stupid? Like Trendlines, it sounds so easy. Yet I don't know, like I don't have the eye for it. And I felt a bit like, oh my God, a bit hopeless. I don't know. There was just one stupid trade day. So it was 460. And then yesterday I did this trade while being live and I made 70 euros. So I was like, we were on the track to get back like everything that I lost. And then today, so today, let's see, why did I take this trade? Yes, so here you can see, this was this morning. It was ranging between these levels and then it went up, but yeah, here you have this trend line, like the bigger time frame trend line, you see. It went up, but I didn't do anything because, I don't know, here was the downtrend trend line from there. So I didn't really, like there's not a lot of space in between here. And I don't know if it's going to react there and then go. So it went up, but I kind of wanted to wait, like is it going to break through this? Because it broke through this resistance, but is it going to break through this higher time frame? Kind of, no, it's not higher time frame, but through this bearish trend line. And as you can see, it didn't. It actually like pulled back under this resistance, then it became a resistance again. It tried again, it became a resistance, and then actually it went down. So that's when I was looking for like, is it going to go break through this support level? And then it actually did. It broke through, and I think, yeah, this is where I entered the trade. And I actually, because it broke through this support level, I actually expected it to go down here, like to the other upward trend line. That's like right here, let's see. So this is that trend line, I think. Yes, and I expected it to go all the way down. Not sure how this is. Well, it's a bit chaotic. Me with all the time frames, it's a bit chaotic to look back. But at the time, like today when I took the trade, I was really like, yeah, this is a good trade. Oh yeah, that's also something. I drew this trend line while I was in this trade to see, like, once it breaks through, I want to get out. And so here I got out, and that's when it started going up. Yeah, so here I made 64 euros. So now I am on 591 euros again, and I'm really happy about it. So let me just see if there's anyone. Do you use leverage? Yes, yes. I use 25 times leverage. So I'm in with interactive brokers, and according to ChatGPT, because I'm still paper trading, and paper trading just through TradingView, so not with interactive brokers yet. And so I don't know about like leverage at interactive brokers and the exact transaction fees. I don't know, because I haven't done anything with interactive brokers yet. But according to ChatGPT, for interactive brokers, it's up to 30 times leverage. So I just did 25 times leverage here on TradingView, just to see how it works and how much that can give me. Because 500 euros with zero leverage, that, I don't know, I would have made like, how do I calculate that? Is that like 3 euros? 70 euro, 25, 20. Oh my god, math, it's not my thing. Oh, this is bad. If I made 70 euros with one trade and I have 25 times leverage, 70 divided by 25 is, yeah, it's about 3 euros, right? I would have made 3 euros, something like that. So yeah, I do want to use leverage also with real money, but for that I kind of need to, have my strategy, be fully confident in my strategy, and also risk management. Before I even trade with leverage with real money, I need to have my risk management like good in place. So yeah, now we're up again, because I started with 500 euros, then 568 after 2 profitable trades, I think. Then I lost everything. And now we're up again, like 591. So I'm really happy with that. And also, like right here, you see I drew this trend line, and once it broke out, like I got out of the trade. And so I made 64 euros. I could have gone in and did a buy order, right? Because it broke out of this trend. But it's the 1 minute, and I don't know, with the 1 minute breakouts, I wasn't sure if it's going to be like a pullback and then just go down again. I wasn't sure. So yeah. And also, like right here, I didn't know what price was going to do. And here you have this support level, and it kind of danced around it. And right now we are here. So I don't really know. Like, I could have made money like this, but that's always in hindsight, of course. You look like, oh my god, if I bought here and then sold here, but I wouldn't have known. Like, with my knowledge, I wouldn't have known that it would go like to there. I also looked at Euro USD. Let me just see what I drew there. This is, I think it's here. Oh no. Yeah, here are my trend lines. Let's see. So I saw that, like right here, you have a level of support. Then kind like it went down. This was all today, like 1 minute. It went down. It touched this trend line and then it went up again. Actually, I'd say here's like a support. And actually this line has been broken right now, so I don't think it's valid anymore. You see, like it broke through. It actually broke through, and this was resistance and it broke through that. So right now, so it is in an uptrend like this. Let me just do boop and boop. Something like that. Or is it more like that? Wait, no, I know. I'd say it was like that. Sometimes it's still a bit chaotic with me and my trend lines. Wait. Doop, 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 doop. Maybe like this. So here was resistance. Oh. Here was resistance. Then broke through this, kind of danced around this line, and then poof, it broke through. It even broke through this resistance. This resistance became support. And now I don't know what price wants to do. It's just dancing around a little bit. How are you? I'm good. I'm really good. Like the day before yesterday, I was a bit sad because I made so many losses, but right now I'm good. I am getting more and more confident, although it's still a bit chaotic with everything, like all the things on the chart, all the lines, and I'm still figuring it out, but I'm getting more and more confident. And yeah, of course, profitable trades, that also helps. It just makes you happy. Even though it's fake money, it's paper trading, it just gives me a confidence boost. I love it. Now, how are you? Did you trade today? I'm just curious. And what do you trade? Do you also do Forex, or do you do indexes, or yeah, what do you trade? This is like a clear uptrend. Now I don't really know maybe I should just, because right here there was like a downtrend like this. We had lower lows, but no, lower highs, but the lows, they were pretty much the same. And now it's almost the same, right? Wait, let me just go to 5 minutes. It's a little bit less noise. Right? It's dancing around this line a little bit. A bit more like that. And then maybe like we have lower highs. Maybe if I just draw a little trend line like that. And then see if it's going to break out. And then maybe I can catch a move like this. Is this a flag? It looks like a flag. I think I've seen this before. I think it's a continuation pattern. I haven't really looked much into like candle patterns, but I think this is this is a flag. And right here you see it, like it formed this pattern and then poof, I could have made money here. That's really cool. Let me just see what it does on the 5 minutes. Okay, we are getting higher highs, right? Like 1, 2, 3 higher highs, higher lows, I'm sorry. Uh-oh, am I getting tired already? Oh no. But it still didn't really manage to make a higher high, right? Or actually, like this is a run, then a pullback, then a run, and a pullback. And then here you have a run and it's a higher high than this one. And then you have a higher low. And here, okay, here we have a higher high. So maybe this means that it's going to break out. Not sure. Could be it. If anyone is watching, yes, it looks like a flag. Yeah, right? That's cool. If this actually works, that's really cool. So if it's going to break out, like it did right here, because there as well, like you have this trend line like this, and then, wait, let me just draw it like a real flag, and then it broke out right here. Let me just see how that looked, what that looked like. So one big candle, like poof, another one, and poof. Okay. So then I can see a bit like what I need to look for. So it's a lot of candles, like a lot of green candles. And really small red candles. So let's see. I'm really getting into the nitty-gritty details with the 1 minute. I think there are even people, I saw someone comment on just a strategy video. He uses like the 20 seconds, the 30 seconds, something like that, like in the seconds, up to 1 minute. It was crazy. Like just imagine, like then it's all the time, like toot, 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 toot. It moves all the time. Already the 1 minute has got a lot of details and movement. And right now I'm just focusing a bit on the lower time frames to trade, and for my entries just to have a bit more action that I can practice with, because with the 4 hour and the 1 hour it kind of moves really slowly. I think eventually I will go to the higher time frames, maybe even swing trading instead of day trading, because with a baby and with all the housewife duties, then sometimes it's difficult to watch the charts every single time. So that's why I only do like one trade every single day, because like sometimes I just need to focus, and I don't have all day to focus on the chart. So I just make one trade and then I'm happy if it's a profitable one. I'm curious to see what it will do. If it's going to break out, I'm going to do a buy order. Because overall, we are in an uptrend, you see? But let's just go to the higher time frame just for a second. It's since 12 May that we are going up. You see this trend line? So that's pretty good. That's really good. So it's not weird to do a buy order. We're going up. It's nice. I also saw this video. Someone sent it to me on Discord. It's a really good video.
Gagner de l'argent en trading? Facile. Commence par repérer la tendance avec un retracement Fibonacci inversé en quadrature. Tu crois ça avec ton MACD ultra exponentiel, mais attention.
Many times, it's how to draw and use.
Was a really good video.
And once price
Also
breaks this trend line,
shows you with the time frames.
and the same
You see?
uptrend and trend line from
Here
the
you
weekly.
have a lot more details.
So here is your moving uptrend, where you have a run up.
It's a really good video.
As the double
I kind
top,
of try to use this, like all the knowledge that I got from this video, I kind of try to use it on here. Try to. Looks like there are not a lot of people online right now. Maybe it's a bit too late. Like the 9 hour, for me it's too late. The 9 hour or the 9 p.m. lives, it's a bit late. Actually, I need to be like, oh no, we have problems with the connection again. Error, YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Oh yeah. Okay, it slightly broke, but that's not a breakout. I'm not going to treat this like a breakout. I need a big candle. Oh no, it's going down. Let me just see what gold is doing. Yeah, gold for me, right now I don't see any logic. I don't really understand what is happening. Like here it was resistance and then it became support. Okay, that's nice. I think it's a little uptrend, but it's also like very like I don't really see like very clear swing highs and swing lows, so it's difficult for me to understand this. I don't know if you guys see anything on here that I don't see right now, or maybe I need to do this, but then still like, okay, run, pull back, run, and then nothing really happens. By the way, is the quality, like the connection, still okay? Because apparently the connection here is not really good, according to YouTube. So if you still hear me like loud and clear, and if it's not too laggy, just tell me, or if it is laggy, just tell me in the chat. I can draw a trend line here, just to see if I see any logic in it. No, I have no idea what it's going to do. So I'm just going to wait until it gets a bit closer to maybe the support and breakouts. Then I can do a trade like this. Or maybe it's going to go towards the resistance and see if it will break out of that. And then of course we have this downward trend line, which is really close. So it also needs to break out of that, and then I will do a buy here. So right now it's in between, not doing anything. And also it's Friday, of course. Oh, that's why. It's Friday, it's the evening. Yeah, of course. I just remembered. That's why it's so slow. Euro USD. What's it doing? Not a lot. Ah, yeah, now I remember. Like last week, Friday, I think also, yeah, the people on my life, they said just don't do any trades right now. It's almost the weekend. It's not a good time to do like a buy order or whatever. Okay, then that's all I can do and all I can say for today. There are also not a lot of people online right now in the live from what I can see. So I'll just end the stream and I'll keep you up to date. This weekend I'm just going to study a lot and learn a lot about the markets and the trendline strategy, because I really want to like master the trendline strategy, become really good at it. And then we'll see next week if I really like follow my strategy and I want to learn a bit more about risk management. Then hopefully next week I'll have a lot more profitable trades. So I'm really excited for that. And if there are losses, then those are just moments to learn, because I can write them down in my trading journal and I can learn from it. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow probably, and then I'm just going to study. That's good. For now, I'm going to get ready to go to bed, because otherwise it's getting way too late, and I don't want to go to bed like at 11 every single evening. That's just not good. So I'm going to go sleep. And if it's also night where you are, good night. And I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye everyone.